Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Tuesday to you. Another day in the market. Y'all see the market would take us, the market to give us, and the market to take us. It's part of the game, man. We had a nice run, not a cool off coming. But which is regular, man. No tree grows to the sky forever. But you gotta have a cool off, man. Things just can't keep going and going. We had a nice election pump. That is fine. So let's see how the market really feeling now. Since all this election stuff is over with, still they did do an interest rate cut again, 25 points last week. They say we got a recession looming in between the first half of the year, 2025. Say the market can drop between, I know, below 10% at a minimum, but we're going to see what's going to happen. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Cause we're going to get through it. We're going to make us some money. And we're going to do what it do, baby. Our portfolio value is value. I'm sorry. Value is at $54,951.67, down $1,345. Buying power $893.54. I have been buying. I got my butt whipped in the Horizon Technology. I brought a bunch of ORC, was not bad. I got a lot of some monthly dividends coming. Only thing that threw me a curveball was the dividend cut with PSEC, Prospect Capital, going from 6 cents a share to 4.5 cents a share, which is fine. Like I said, worst case, if y'all in y'all feelings about it, just reinvest the dividends monthly. You ain't got to put no more fresh powder in it. Just reinvest the dividends, let it pay for itself. But I'm gonna buy the dip and swing trade it. I'm gonna buy at least 2 shares a day at these prices, especially at the $5 and below. And that's what I'm gonna do. Matter of fact, let's start out there right now. Let's give ourselves a raise. Get your pencils and paper ready. Let's look at P6, see what it's doing. I already got my list, but we're gonna jump there since we're talking about it, since it's on the topic. $4.28. Low today, $4.25. You ain't got to buy. You can buy a share day. You can buy 2 shares. I'm gonna do. Come on, I'm gonna start out with you. We're gonna do this together. We're gonna get a share every day. 4.25. We're gonna bail ourselves up out of this. 4.25 today. Okay. All right, that's one we done got out the win. We're gonna go USOY. Cover calls on crude oil. The day got down to 14.36. I got this in another portfolio. I did not mean to buy this in this portfolio, but yesterday it did trigger. So that share, I'm gonna just keep it there. But y'all go in at 14.36. I got this in my WeWe. I actually bought this by accident. Another one I'm trading with a little risk, man. It's the inverse of Coinbase. I'm doing fiat. Pays out monthly. This is a Yield Max ETF. All right, how this work? When the Coinbase stock is up, fiat gonna be down. Like today, you see fiat is up. Right there is green, right? Because Coinbase today is down. Coinbase is down like 5% today. So it's down 3.65. So when Coinbase down, fiat is up. When Coinbase is up, fiat is down. But let's go back to fiat. I basically get a share of this every day. Day I got a fractional share because it's up. I just brought $3 worth. Well, you want to get one today, $9.23 will be the price. I said I'm gonna get this to run just to see what it is. I brought a fractional share at $9.34 for $3. But every time it's down, you can just throw $3, $2 at it and build your portfolio. I just want to see how this trade does pay over $1 a month in dividend. All right, y'all. We're gonna go with Clip. Clip down 11.17 today. I brought some in my other portfolio. About to get some right here. Dollar cost average. See what I can spread out on this little money here. $5 on Clip. I got some money on the side anyway, so I ain't tripping about nothing. Ticker ORC. I know this money in this dividend portfolio, I should have close about $2,000 probably should come in. ORC at 771. So we'll get $5 of that. All right, what other growth monthly stocks? We got HRZN. Mine at 9.25 today. I put a bunch of money in ORC. All right, HRZN got a dividend coming up. Dividend payout coming up soon, the 14th, 27.60. Now you can see that's one I got, but that's when I had 250 shares. Right now I'm at should be close to 1,000 shares. But I'm gonna swing trade this one. Also, I'm at 761 shares. This got a 52-week high, 1373. Remember, this is a BDC, so they're gonna benefit when the interest rate come. Let me go back to ORC to show y'all where I'm at right here. I'm at 982. I'm always close to my 1,000 shares. Dividend payouts. I got a dividend of $113.43 coming. Well, I say you got to put money in the market. That's at a share of 945 shares for that payout. I'm at like 982 right now. So just to show y'all how this thing works. That's ORC. We did HRZN. We're going to go AMDY. It's at 1273. Well, right now it's at 1264. We'll put $5 on that. Dollar cost average on in, man. OXSQ. I'm gonna go $2.82. I get 2 shares of that every day. It's also gonna be a swing trade. But I'm gonna collect that juicy dividend while I hold it. Like I say, this got a 52-week high of 329. I can sell it at 325, and I would be fine. All right, EFC. Hold up, making a note on something. All right, EFC. Paid the 13 cent a share month dividend. $12.16. We're going in that. Or get a fractional share, whichever one you can afford. 24-hour market. So like I say, when this market get real bullish next year, when it does go on this run, I'm not buying nothing. I'm just gonna sit back and I'm gonna cash up. All right, all monthly dividends on my list. Think that is it. Let's go to some quarterly players, some other REITs, Sachem Capital, SACH. I seen this one been slipping. This is a cheap stock, a $2 and under stock. This is a perfect swing trade stock. 52-week low 194. Today got the 195. Perfect stock for you to swing trade. You can buy this at $2 and under. All right, we're gonna go to WU, Western Union. This is down to 1051 today. It's at 1056. Get a little fractional share of that. When this get above the $11 mark, I'm going to swing trade and scalp it. It's Western Union. I'm going to go HPP, Hudson Pacific. This another REIT. This one y'all might want to stay out of. Whichever ones you don't like, just stay out of. I'm just giving y'all. See, this at $4.10. Market cap 594,000. Dividend yield 2.25. So that got a lot for dividend growth. It's an office REIT too. Then what? Canada. Then California, Northwest, Pacific, Western Canada, Greater London, United Kingdom. So $5 HPP. Another one we're gonna go with. Show y'all this one. Hold on one second. Let me get these in. Then I'm gonna go to the dividend growth stocks for y'all to look at. CHMI. We up $3.18. I said I was gonna buy one share of this every day just to come on down in it. So let me do 318. Pays a nice dividend. We're gonna go SBSW. This the Sibanye Stillwater precious metal mining company. Seen the last month. This is thing. It rolls up all the way here. You see the last week is coming down. We're gonna ride it up. I did swing trade it. Show you the receipts and proof. As you can see right here. I sold 50 shares at $472. All those shares I brought at $4, $4.10, $4, whatever. Perfect swing trade. So yeah, right here, $4.02. Special's not bad. I'm throwing 50 at it. Why? Because I'm gonna swing it. That's 12 shares. I'm going to accumulate here. When it get above that 450 range again, I'm going to sell it. It does pay a dividend 1.64%. They got this as a hold and a sell, but I'm going to trade myself up out of it. 52-week high of 592. I'm at 579, so I'm below it. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing with it. I'm gonna trade myself up out of it. Goro. Like I say, the world is changing, the economy is changing, man. Stuff. Matter of fact, ticker SBSW was like that stock been in like the double digits, man, before. Like I said, a lot of these stocks y'all see cheap now for y'all beginning traders. In 2024, man, these was double digit stocks, man. Even that gold, this one here, Goro was like a $3 stock. Like I said, U.S. economy just is bad, man. So, I mean, you can't cut your losses and just get out of it, and just. But me, I like trading. I like trading out of it. I leave out of it. I get all the juicy dividends, and I'm gonna trade out of it in profit. And once I get out of it, I'm probably not gonna enter it again. It's like this one here with Goro. Y'all know I'm swing trading this one. I just buy it. Whenever it go on this run, I'm gonna dump it. All these shares I'm buying at 14, 15, between the 13 and 15 range. When it get about 17 cents, I'm gonna sell it. Rinse and repeat. As you see right now, I got an average cost of 39 cents. Just last week I was at like 81 cents. When it goes on its run, I'm gonna let it rip. All right, Nike, man. NKE. It's a lot of little stuff out there today, man. As you can see, the market is pulling on back. NKE Nike, $76.30. gotta attack these prices here. Got them in another portfolio. Also, one I'm going to sell, probably going to be this one. I'm going to keep my other one. Nike, 52-week high, $123.39. I'm hoping they make it back there. When they make it to 90, I might sell and get out. Nike got a lot of competition now. Nike was big when I came up in the 80s and the 90s. You got other Adidas, Armour, with Steph Curry. What is Armour, whatever it's called. I don't know, the name will come to me soon. But you got other, brands out there now. All right, ticker CHPT, charge point, got down $1.11. I put a buy order. I got a buy order in at 110 for 100 shares. Last week I did sell this and got out of it. All right, receipts right here. Like I said, I swing traded. I sold 105 shares at 121 that I brought at $1.14. So I made 7 cents a share. Now remember, this does not pay a dividend. So this stock is meant to be traded. You can buy something whole, but you need to be trading it, taking your little small gains, your 6 cent, your 8 cent, your 12 cent gains, take them. Because people make money off of this stock, off of volume. So yeah, I brought some at 113. I got a share in at $1.10. So got that for the day. But while I'm here with y'all, I get some more. All right, now y'all pay attention to this one. I'm giving y'all some growth stocks to go in and get. DG, Dollar General. I done went and brought mine for the day, $73.99. Y'all go get some of that if you like it. DEO, I'm giving y'all everything I trade. DRGO, $119.42. I went in that. This is a liquor company. Buy your fractional shares. We got BA, Boeing. Boeing workers still on strike, so take advantage of this for this cheap price. BA Boeing. I went in at 144.60, and you see now it's coming on down. Electric company AES. It's another one, $13.53. They done fell below that mark. That's why I say dollar cost average. Don't load up on anything. Another banger, which is performing terribly, but got a good dividend. Pfizer. $26.06. It came below that too. We done did Western Union at 10.51. So that's about everything on my list. Let's go see what the market giving us. The rest, make sure we ain't miss nothing. This one I want to check out, MPW. I like to add some of this too. This gonna benefit too once the interest rate cuts get cut. The interest rates come down more. All right, see what we got going on here. PSEC, we already know about. AGNC. That's another one not bad to go on in. Everything you buy now, you can sell above the $10 range. This real get back above that. Then it pays 10 cents a month dividend. Or 12 cents a share a month. That's why I'm not worried about it. I brought a bunch of ORC at $7.80 and under. When they get above the $8, I can sell it, but I look more at the 8 something range. But I just keep it for the dividend for now. NEWT is down. I seen Triple M coming down. But it's a buy and hold for forever stock here. So I don't too much trade that, and it pays a nice dependable dividend. Well, they did cut it before, but 3M ain't going anywhere. Let's see what Kraft Heinz doing. See 3204. Gotta love it. KHC. $5. $5. Another one coming down below that $8, $9 range is Walgreens. Gotta get OPI. What, 120? This gonna be a swing trade for later. Another one about to start swing trading, Hawaiian Electric. I notice it's going to, it falls below the $10 mark, and it rise up between the mid tens. Like today, came down from 10.34. I was about to guess and say 10.37. But this is a buy and hold stop. But I'm thinking about swing trading some of it, especially when they get in the mid nines, about that 950, 944, 960, load up. And I think at the 925, let it rip, rinse and repeat. Like they say, you got to trade the market that you are in. Some stocks do have the potential to be something, but you know, we living in a world of overnight millionaires where they don't invest in nothing. They just, all thing they want to do is trade, you know. So, you know, this the generation coming up, so got to be ready to compete with them, taking advantage of this here. 1.23 billion market cap, $7.19 low. Gonna get a share of that. Ready Capital. TCPC. But we're not gonna bother that. Now that 862. Let that ride. Know this video long, man, but this is what trading is about. Once y'all get to the level y'all at, y'all can retire from y'all job. I don't know how many expenses you got every month, but if you can get your dividends about 35 to 4 grand a month, and you know how to trade to put on top of that, you would be fine. And especially you go live somewhere like Dominican Republic or somewhere cheaper, you definitely would be fine. Cheers, Global Net Lease. One thing for sure, them dividends gonna print out. Everybody's so crazy about buying buildings and doors and real estate, man. Everything the same. Passive income is passive income, no matter what source it's coming from. Now, Pets went on a good old run, coming on back down. Pets at $5 now. Look at me, I got an average cost of $10.51. Pet was paying a dividend yield probably around about 6%, I want to say, at one time. But I swing traded. Some of the stuff you gonna have to hold just to see what happened with it. Some of you can let go and cut your losses. Depends on you. All right, and got our Nike Brandywine. Let's see what's up with this. This is another REIT. I ain't got to touch that. The average cost is $5.68. That'll easily go back above that. Oh, GMRE. I think last week this was getting ripped. It was getting tore up. 871. Yep, sure was. I do remember that one. GMRE. BGS Foods, another one that was getting tore up. All right, anything dealing with foods, I might go in and get out of. For that sector there's it's kind of risky, but what I noticed, the only one I kept is Wendy's. RWT, Redwood Trust. What we got going on here? Ooh, 8.97%, 939,000 market cap. That's not looking bad there. That's why I brought this stock a long time ago. All right, should be coming to the end. Shipping stocks down, not worrying about them, not in my buy range. MFA, another one should be down. IVR, let's see, this should be up. 826. Ain't gonna touch it, let it get around that $8 range. I put a sell order in at $8.48. We got ORC, USOI up for the day too. We know we can buy some of that, but I'm gonna chill. UAN, not ready for that yet. NYMT, that's below the $3 mark. What's that? 586. Gotta get this. And for the dividend. Yeah, it's ugly out here. I'm about to go put my little $5,000 in. I'm gonna do it 500 at a time though. Probably 1,000 at a time. TLT, TW, another pan, man. It's ugly. There's some buys out here, man. Yes, Lord, it is. I'm taking advantage of this. TLTW. Now imagine if you had a bunch of growth stocks only, and they down, and you ain't get no dang dividend for them. That's why I let my dividends pay for my growth stocks. All right, we at the end, man. Sorry y'all for the long video. We done got the yield max stuff in. I look at that stuff there first, cause those are your biggest monthly players. Did we get our Seacom? Well, Seacom was the one I sold and got out of, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I sold everything and got out of Seacom. Now, this is a good time for you to swing trade Seacom now. I don't like it because it got the market cap of 94.35 million. Like I said, anything under $1 billion I was getting rid of. So what I'm going to go do, I'm going to get out of this one. I need to take that out my buy list. Now, this is a nice swing trade for you. All right, my order I canceled. I'm going to cancel it in my watch list. That's the only reason I brought it. Dividend yield high, the market cap is 94 million. We know that market cap can't pay no 20% dividend, and that's why it's down. But this is a REIT. But I did get out of it, and you can see I got out of it at $3.93, $3.85. Grateful for that, and I got a nice dividend. Paid 11 cents a quarter, about 3 cents a share a month. So yeah, let me erase that off so I don't revisit this. All right, y'all, that's everything for the day. Sorry for the long video. It is what it is. One of those days. Y'all watch my recent videos too, man. Y'all might want to start watching all the videos to learn, especially for y'all beginning investors. You got to put in then your work, your work, man. If you want to be a good trader or past that, a great trader. Signing off, go get your money.